Sometimes there is no next time, no second chance, no time out. Sometimes it is now or never. Beauty gets attention, personality gets the heart. Never lie to someone who trusts you, and never trust someone who lies to you. Things get worse before they get better. Just keep going. Today I am grateful for all the people that are loving and kind to me. Best way to earn respect is by treating others with respect. Enjoy the little things in life, for someday you will realize they were the big things. It's time to start living the life you have dreamed of all this time. Breathe in, pretend you are smiling a flower. Breathe out, pretend you are blowing a leaf. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. The secret of a long life, later the secret of a long lasting relationship, laughing together. There will always be people in our life who treat you wrong. Be sure to thank them for making you strong. There is no greater alien than fear. I thought being sad was painful, but the real pain I felt was pretending happiness.